Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is gonna be about a fun light topic. Another episode exploring the beauty of nature around us. I specifically picked the topic of fascinating flowers, a species that are famous for their uncanny resemblance to other things. We're going to start with, as you can see in the picture, monkey face orchid or Dracula simia, found in the cloud forest of Ecuador. The center of this flower looks exactly like a grinning monkey. Even more interesting, it smells like a ripe orange, so it actually has a nice scent to it. Next one is hooker's lips, native to Central and South American rainforests. This plant produces bright red bracts that look like a pair of perfectly applied pouty lips. They only stay this way for a short time before opening to reveal tiny white flowers. Next we have swaddled babies. This orchid looks like a tiny, intricate baby wrapped in a white blanket. It's incredibly charming and possesses a surprisingly sweet, spicy smell. White agate orchid, its fringed white petals look exactly like a snowy agate bird in mid-flight. Now, if you're looking for flowers that are rare and mysterious, this is the ghost orchid. This leafless orchid appears to float in midair, hence the name. It's sadly endangered and lives deep in the swamps of Florida and Cuba. It only blooms for a short time and is notoriously difficult to find. Kadupul flower. Native to Sri Lanka, this is often called the most expensive flower because it's priceless. It cannot be harvested. It can only bloom at night and dies before dawn, making its beauty a fleeting one-night-only event. Jade vine. This flower features a rare, luminous turquoise color that looks almost artificial. It hangs in low, claw-shaped clusters and is pollinated by bats that hang upside down to drink its nectar. Next we're going to mention a few flowers under the category of the giants and the stinkers. Sometimes interesting means pushing the boundary of biology. Corpse flower, known for being one of the largest and smelliest flowers on earth, reaching over 10 feet tall. It blooms only once every 7 to 10 years and actually smells like rotting meat. Why is that? To attract carrion beetles for pollination. Rafflesia arnoldi. This actually holds the record for the world's largest individual flower, up to 3 feet across. It has no stems, leaves, or roots. It's rather a parasite that lives inside vines until it bursts out as a giant red polka-dotted bloom. While we're at it, we can mention few of the 2026 trending beauties that belong to the gardening and floral world this year. A few old-fashioned but striking flowers are making a massive comeback. The chocolate cosmos, these have deep velvety burgundy petals and, believe it or not, a scent that smells exactly like dark chocolate. They are a staple of the Gothic garden trend popular in 2026. King Protea, South Africa's national flower, looks like a prehistoric crown. It has survived for millions of years and represents transformation because of its many different forms. Quick fact about flowers. The smallest flower in the world is the Wolfia globosa. It's about the size of a grain of rice and floats on the surface of the water like a tiny green speck. In a world of constant change, these flowers remind us that nature's most fleeting moments are often its most breathtaking. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Till next time, stay well.